Hi, I'm Alicia and I'm a rising sophomore at Harker. My project is the IoT Smart Lamp and this is my third milestone. For my third milestone, I created this enclosure over here and I basically put all my hardware and my wires into the box. So this enclosure is basically just a clear acrylic box, and then I have two layers of this light diffusing paper, and then I put it on the inside of the box on all six sides, and then it helps diffuses the light, and it also helps cover up some of the wires and the hardware that I don't want to see. And then I also have this cutout here for the USB cable, and then that's basically how my box works. So some of the challenges I faced was finding an idea of how to make this box, because I originally wanted to laser cut or 3D print some parts, but I didn't have access to a laser cutter, and the 3D printing filament, it was completely opaque so the light wouldn't shine through. And then another problem is right here, you can see a light dependent resistor over here. And basically, it's out there because originally the NeoPixel, the light affected the light dependent resistor too much, so it wouldn't stay on. So I soldered some wires to it and then let it peek out through this hole over here. And right now it's under the USB and it's pointing downwards, but that's because the breadboard, it's like elevated. But when I use a PCB, it would be closer to the ground, and I'll be able to move this light dependent resistor to above the USB cable, and then it should work completely fine after that. So for my modifications, I plan on adding a button, and I also plan on adding a new light mode, which is a weather mode. So instead of taking values on the color from Cayenne, which is a website that I connected my project to, it can change the different colors of the light. So instead of doing that, I'm gonna have default colors so that correspond to different weather conditions. So for example, yellow light could be sunny and then blue can be rain. And then when I press a button, it'll change to that mode and then I can see the weather conditions. And then after I test all of that, I'm going to solder everything onto a PCB board and then I'm going to complete my project. Thank you.